Okay, welcome back. We're looking at series on parallel circuits 2, okay? Okay, electrical principles 2, series parallel circuits 2, okay? That's, sorry, let me just go back, bring you into view, okay? Bring you into view as well, let's make sure each one is in view, okay? So I just had a problem with one of my videos just now. Okay. And this is a series circuit, okay? The current is the same in a series circuit, don't forget that, okay? And here we have, well, again, as I said, this is showing the flow of electrons rather than the conventional flow of current, okay? Ohm's law, okay? You should be able to transpose these now, okay, quite easily. It shouldn't be an issue for you guys now, okay? You've seen enough of my work already. Parallel circuits, okay? No need to read this out because I'm sure that you can read this now for yourselves, okay? And here we are, okay, good. We're in full view. Good. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Have a good day. Bye bye. Let me just check that I've done all the slides. Yes, I have done all the slides. Thank you. Good. Bye bye.